Right now, you're breathing. But what if we could shrink down and follow that breath inside your body? Let's go. Now you're microscopic, floating in the air, and suddenly, whoosh, you're pulled inside the nose. It's warm, humid, and full of tiny hair-like structures called cilia. They move like waves, trapping dust, dirt, and bacteria. Sticky mucus lines these walls. This is your body's first defense system. You move deeper, entering the throat or pharynx. It feels like a busy intersection, air rushing in and out. Ahead, you see a flap, the epiglottis. Every time you swallow, it snaps shut, making sure food doesn't enter the lungs. Miss that timing? That's when choking happens. You then pass through the larynx, which is your voice box. Two bands stretch and vibrate here, your vocal cords. Every word you've ever spoken started right here. Now you're in the trachea, a long tunnel reinforced with C-shaped cartilage rings. It's like a flexible highway, always open and always ready for airflow. This is where the tunnel splits into two. You've now reached the bronchi, one leading to each side of the lung. You choose one path. The tubes get smaller and smaller, branching like a tree. These are bronchioles, deeper, narrower, faster airflow. Suddenly, everything opens up. You're now surrounded by millions of tiny balloon-like sacs. This is the alveoli. They look soft, delicate, but this is where life happens. Tiny blood vessels, called capillaries, wrap around them. And now the moment. Oxygen molecules jump from the air into the blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide jumps out into the alveoli. It's a perfect exchange, a microscopic trait that keeps you alive every second. You follow the oxygen into the bloodstream. Red blood cells grab onto it like delivery trucks. They rush through the body, heading towards cells that desperately need energy. Inside those cells, oxygen helps break down glucose, releasing energy in a process called cellular respiration. This is what powers everything you do. As you head back to the lungs, you realize what happens when you're breathing. As you breathe in, the lung expands, the diaphragm pushes down, and space increases, making the pressure drop. Then everything compresses, the diaphragm pushes up, pressure rises, and air is forced out. You're inside a living, moving machine. You slowly move back out through the lungs, up the trachea, and out the nose. You're back, but now you know every breath is a microscopic journey keeping you alive, and it's happening right now. Your respiratory system is one of the most important organ systems in your body, but not everything is safe here. Smoke, pollution, and harmful particles can stick to the alveoli. Over time, they damage these delicate structures, and once they're damaged, oxygen transfer becomes harder. That's when breathing becomes a struggle. If you enjoyed this video, follow Students for Health for more fun health facts.